Our SEMA Reveal Automotive Variety Show continues with a Beetle that's not exactly what it looks like. Let's bring up Marcel Horn and Nicole Redding from VW to tell us about this machine.
All my friends.
Kevin, how are you? I'm doing great. So, Marcel, like I said, this is not exactly what it appears. Tell us about it.
Yeah, you know, we proudly brought what I know is the baddest bug of SEMA. It started life as a humble little Volkswagen Dune, a little four-cylinder 1.8 turbo driving it, and here it is, bookending what's known as the Bye Bye Tour for Volkswagen. And Nicole, what can you tell us about this Bye Bye Tour?
It's been a monumental year for us at Volkswagen. We announced the end of production of the Beetle, and so we knew we had to celebrate it big, and we've been celebrating all year. And we even have a hashtag for all the different events we have. Bye Bye Beetle is our hashtag, and we knew capping off the year at SEMA was really the perfect place for us to celebrate the Beetle, being the ultimate showcase for customization and performance and car culture and the crazy lifestyle that it lends itself to.
So it's unique that an automaker is celebrating the end of the line of a particular model, right? Because normally it just kind of gets swept under the rug and let's go on to something new and bigger and better. That's pretty cool that you're acknowledging that culture.
We had to. I mean, how can you not recognize the Beetle? It's been such an important and iconic part of Volkswagen and really car culture and customization, just thinking about the decades of Beetle customizations that have been done over the years for owners.
I would say just about everything has been done to one of these. But what's been done to this one, Marcel?
Yeah, no, thanks, Kevin. You know, Lego and Volkswagen are almost synonymous. They have such an interchangeability. Out came the four-cylinder front-wheel drive automatic. Of course, the DNA had to be Volkswagen's VR-6 six-cylinder engine, their high-tech 7-speed DSG gearbox, and they have this ultra-cool smart four-wheel drive called 4Motion. Those are the underpinnings before the team up in Vancouver, Canada, for all you Canadians out there, got to work. Yeah, I heard you. One of us. The paint's dry because it was a year ago applied. This tribute build has been almost 2 years in the making. So every piece has been crafted. The motor has been stroked out with Moly pistons. The suspension has been reworked with all the parts from AWD TTRS DNA with the aluminum. And then we lean on our fellow friends at KW for their heavy-duty, hard-hitting Cup Sport suspension. To the inside, we worked the whole interior concept. We went even so far as on this collaboration, actually, and that's what I should say, this is a collaboration build with a customer. His name's Blake. He's got this want to have a sinister David versus Goliath. I don't know which one he's Goliath or David, but he went to a gentleman by the name of Bill Wall and made this incredible gear shift knob. There's not one level that hasn't been touched in this car.
Yeah. Well, and looking at this, it's very subtle, but you're telling me the VR-6 and the 4Motion. So what kind of power are we talking about, man?
Right, so we took Volkswagen's most robust engine and put Ford Warner's big 9174 turbo. I mean, this thing would swallow a cat. With the stroked engine, the big gearbox, we made on the Superflow dyno, shameless plug, we made 800 foot-pounds of torque and 705 horsepower.
Holy smokes, out of a VR-6?
Out of a VR-6. And you know, this is our 30th year coming up, tuning Volkswagen Audis. 20 of those years have been on that engine. It is so strong, so durable, made it to that four-wheel drive. And you know, the only thing we didn't do, short of the killer paint job, was touch the body cladding. This dune that Volkswagen came up with the aggressive front fascia, the organically styled arches, the baby whale tail, that was their shtick. We just trimmed it out with paint and did everything else underneath it.
Right on. Well, I'm going to say that it's Goliath, making that kind of power. Good God.
It's going to pretend to be dated.
Yeah, right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Marcel and Nicole and this awesome VW.